If you're facing an issue where your Logitech G923 wheel is not calibrating, I found a potential solution on Reddit that could help. Here's what someone shared, and it might work for you too. The person mentioned that they had the same issue. All the RPM lights on the wheel were lit up, but the wheel wasn't calibrating. The lights seemed to indicate that the wheel had power, but it still wasn't working properly. Turns out, the problem was with the power connection. The video they watched suggested making sure the power adapter was fully plugged into the outlet. And guess what? That solved the issue for them. The USB connection alone powers the lights and buttons, but it won't calibrate the wheel unless it's fully plugged into the outlet. So, if your wheel isn't calibrating, make sure to double-check all the connections. Check the bottom of the wheel, the wall socket, and especially the power brick itself to ensure everything is plugged in securely. Sometimes, even if it looks like it's connected, it might not be fully seated. Hopefully, this helps you resolve the issue. If it does, let me know in the comments.